In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see player count of any game on Steam. First, open your Steam application on desktop, or head to the official Steam website in your browser. Sign into your Steam account so you get the most complete and accurate information. Being logged in ensures you can access every store page and community feature without restrictions. If you're on the app, make sure it's updated and your connection is stable to avoid pages loading partially. Next, go to the store page of the game you want to check. The quickest route is to use the search bar at the top, then select the correct title from the results. If the game has multiple editions, pick the base game store page, because that's usually where player information is surfaced consistently. Once you're on the store page, take a look toward the top right area. Many titles display current player activity there, or they expose a link to the community hub, where you may see active player stats and recent activity. Layouts can vary by game and by region, so don't worry if the label or placement looks a little different. You're looking for terms like current players or players right now, sometimes alongside recent peak numbers. Keep in mind that not every game publishes this on the store page, especially very new releases or games that don't track concurrent sessions the same way. If you don't see it there, or you want a broader view, use Steam's official charts page at https://store.steampowered.com charts. This page highlights real-time concurrent player counts and trends for popular games. Navigate to the most played section to see who's trending right now, along with live counts, today's peak, and all-time peak. You can scroll to find your game or use the site search to jump to it quickly. If a game doesn't appear, it might not be among the most played at that moment. The charts page is great for context. Concurrent players reflect how many people are in games simultaneously, which naturally rises during evenings and weekends and dips on weekday mornings. Peaks show the highest point reached in a given window, and trends can help you see whether interest is growing or leveling off after updates or sales. That's all you need to check how many people are playing. Thanks for watching.